gumballs?
Wow, interesting machine. It's a giant gumball machine. Wow! So many gumballs. How it falls. Dasha, Alex, can I press the second button? Go for it, Steffi. Wow, such a cool gumball machine.
Hey, Maria, Dasha, Steffi, Alex. Stop! No gumballs! Sweets are bad for you!
Please, Ivan.
Oh.
I love watching the gumballs rolling.
Me too. It's fascinating.
But Ivan wouldn't let us.
I know what to do. Let's hide behind the frame. If Ivan comes, we're gonna pretend we're a painting.
Great idea, Maria.
Steffi, let's hide here.
Okay.
I think I heard some gumball sounds. Very strange picture. Ah, Maria, Steffi, I know it's you. I said no gumball.
Oh.
I should probably put these gumballs away. Okay, now let's hide them in a safe place so no one eats too much of gumballs. They're bad for you. I need to find something interesting to read. Oh no, I feel asleep. Wait! Where are my gumballs? Maria, Steffi, Dasha, Alex, did you take all my gumballs? Hey, Steffi, Dasha, did you take all my gumballs?
No, Ivan, me and Dasha were playing here all the time.
Okay. Okay, I believe you. No gumballs here, but I'll check on Alex.
Huh?
Alex, did you take all my gumballs?
No, Ivan, it wasn't me. I was playing with my dinosaurs, Ivan.
Yeah, no gumballs here, only dinosaurs. I will check on Maria.
Huh.
Ivan, are you okay? Do you need help?
I know it's you, Maria. I need my gumballs back.
Me?
Yes, hand them over, now.
Calm down. Do you mean these gumballs?
No, I meant the gumballs that someone took when I was asleep.
What are you talking about? I haven't seen those gumballs since you forbade me. I was drawing this the whole time.
Sorry, Maria, it wasn't you. But who took them? Hey, Grandma, there were gumballs on the sofa. Have you seen them?
No, I don't.
Let me check again.
Ah.
They couldn't disappear. Someone must have taken them.
Huh?
It's a mystery.
Ivan, did you manage to find the gumballs?
No.
Who is that? Oh my goodness.
What is this? Have you heard that too?
Oh, yes.
The sound is coming from there. Oh. Who is that?
Who are you? Why are you crying?
I'm a Gumball candy man. I took and ate all your gumballs, and now my teeth hurt. Will you forgive me?
Oh, poor guy.
Aww.
Of course we forgive you, but we should probably take you to the dentist now.
Kids, don't eat too many sweets because your teeth might hurt.
Let's have a ride. Ivan, Maria, Stephi, Dasha, Alex.
Ivan, it's the best stair slide that we've ever made.
Yes, Maria, I can't wait to ride it.
Wow.
Wow! Ivan, Maria, your slide looks awesome. Can we play with you?
First, you have to wear protection.
Okay. Ivan, Maria, look, we have protection.
Okay.
Can we go now?
Aha.
First, we need to measure your height to see if you can.
Yes, follow me, guys. Stephi, we have to measure your height. Sorry, Stephi, you can't ride. You're too small. Alex, you're next.
Please, can you try one more time? Maybe you made a mistake.
Okay. This is impossible. No cheating, young lady. You're too small for this ride. Alex. Sorry, Alice, but you're also too small for this ride.
Dasha, you're next. Let's measure your height. Sorry, guys, but you're too small for the slide. Rules are rules.
How can I quickly become taller? I know what to do. Just wait for it. Can I play on the slide, please?
No, we have to measure your height first. No cheating, young lady. What is this? Steffi, sorry, you're too small to ride the slide.
taller. I hope this will work. Thank you. I'm ready.
You're still too short. Hey, what's that? No cheating, young lady. And you can't use stilts on the slide for your safety. Let's continue having fun.
Alex, listen to me. I can help you become a taller.
Okay.
Let's go. Good luck.
Hey, no cheating, Alex. Sorry, but you're too small for the slide.
Oh.
Our plan worked. Now the slide is only for me and Ivan.
Wait a minute. What is it?
Huh? Ah.
No way!
Wow.
This is cheating. Ivan, Maria, come here.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Steffi, Dasha, Alex, please forgive us.
Let's play the slide together.
We forgive you. Let's play together.
Maria, Steffi, Ivan, Dasha, Alex.